So here we are at Wert Carts and More here in Wert, Ohio. 419-238-2732. Looking at a gorgeous looking black and blue fade EZGO TXT. It is a 2015. Does have the 13.5 horse Kawasaki gas engine. Again, the black and blue fade body, just a good looking body cart altogether. Has the 14-inch black and blue SS wheels coupled with the 23 by 10 by 14 black trail all-terrain tire. Does have the tricolor seats front and rear. The three-tone seats, black, blue, and gray. Man, this cart just flows. It flows, and it flows good. It has the LED headlights, tail lights, turn signals. Does have the horn, four-way flashers. Just good looking all the way around. 5-inch EZGO lift kit. Come around to the passenger side over here. Up in the dash here we have 2 USB ports. Pop the seat up, and there we have the 13.5 horse Kawasaki engine. We did take it in, put a brand new battery in it, did a full tune-up on it, so put a new air filter in it, fuel filter, oil filter, change the oil, new spark plug, and we put a 1-year dealer warranty on all of that. So anything goes wrong with any of that, it is taken care of for 1 full year after the sale. Again, the 3-tone rear seat here, and this rear seat does fold down, and now you have cargo area. Fold it back up, now you have your 4-passenger seating. And then we have our lighted rear license plate bracket. Pop back around here, driver's side. Hey, give us a call, 419-238-2732. Get set up with your test drive. Speaking of test drive, let's get on this bad boy and go. So, off we go. Whoa. Cruise around here. Again, 883 North Washington Street. Get out here. Take this baby for a test drive. Again, it is the black and blue fade body 2015 EZGO TXT. Good looking cart. Give us a call, 419-238-2732. Stop out, 883 North Washington Street here in Wert, Ohio. I appreciate you all watching our videos. Thank you very much. Can't wait to meet you, and have a great day.